National vacancy rates in November 2021 in Australia were at 1.5%. The rental vacancy rate in Vancouver was 2.4%. People around the world are struggling to find a rental place. So it's no wonder that for one rental place, landlords are getting more than 10 applications. It's pretty tough out there. In this video, I'm going to discuss a few tips that can put you ahead of others and secure yourself a rental place. I have been both a landlord and a renter, and based on my experiences, I'm going to share with you some tips that I know will help you for sure. While filling out a rental application, do these things. The first tip: provide your bank statement evidence showing regular direct debits to your previous landlords was on time. Secondly, provide rental bond money return evidence from the past rental places that you were paid in full. That creates a huge difference and shows that you left your past rental place neat and clean without damaging anything in the property. Thirdly, do your monthly income and expense calculation in an Excel sheet without showing too much detail, and show the proportionate rent to total income. If you can show that your would-be rent is less than 32% of the total income, your chances of getting one property is high. For the fourth tip, provide your current bank balance statement. If the balance is more than 3 months' rent, it gives the confidence that you are a less risky renter. In case you lose your job or your income decreases, you can still pay rent off the money. For the fifth reason, provide your current employment documents, such as an employment contract, most recent 2 payslips, or your spouse income evidence. If your spouse is not working, also explain that and explain how soon he or she will start working and how much your family income would be. Last but not least, fill out the rental application form in detail. And make sure you include some really good reasons why you want that rental property. Some people forget, landlords are also human. You need to give some evidence that you're a low-risk renter, which will alleviate some of their concerns. For example, if in the ad it says no pets allowed, you can highlight in your application that you don't have pets, but also say that you would regularly clean the house and you would water the lawn areas if there were any. You could also mention in the application that you want to rent for longer and you would offer $10 less than the market rate if it's not too competitive at the time of application. As it costs a lot of time and effort to find a new renter, no landlord wants to lose a good renter. It would more likely than not be accepted. Hey, if you like this video, subscribe to this channel because I regularly create videos about saving money, investing in the stock market, and creating a passive income stream. Also, make sure you share this among others who are looking to find a rental place. See you in the next video. Ciao!